If you are looking for the best humidifiers for bedrooms in this year, you must see this list. We selected these products based on their quality, durability, features, prices, manufacturer reputations, and user feedback. Check the description box below for the latest price. So, let's get started!
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated. Or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, LEVOIT's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home. LEVOIT.
We could all use a hand when we're not feeling well. With its convenient top-fill design and 2-in-1 functionality, the Dual 100 is here to help relieve unpleasant cold and allergy symptoms. The top-fill water tank is always easy to fill, even when you're under the weather. The ultra-fine mist humidifies the air without fogging the room or dampening furniture. The Dual 100 doubles as a diffuser, infusing the air with soothing fragrances. Add your favorite essential oils to the base of the humidifier when you want to relax. Intelligent Sleep Mode turns off the display lights and automatically regulates humidity, letting you get some rest, while the Dual 100 works quietly. And if the humidifier runs out of water while you're asleep, it will automatically shut off. Thoughtfully constructed, the humidifier is safe for kids and adults alike. No matter where you put it, the Dual 100 will make a difference, creating a healthy atmosphere for you and your loved ones.